Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia, and today we are doing an unboxing of the infamous pink packing from iGirl, or Internet Girl. This cost me almost $200, so it's a little, it's a lot pricey, but you know, I'm absolutely stoked to open this because I have been following her for quite a while and seeing all the amazing looks she's pulled, and I just thought I would spoil myself and splurge and go ahead and get it. I'm just so excited. Okay, so I had told her that I like mixing girly and edgy pieces together. I kind of just let her have her own, whatever she really wanted to do with it. The only thing I really told her was that I had bought in some Doc Martens and I didn't know how to style them. So I told her my favorite pattern was stripes, and I'm pretty open to patterns, and I told her my favorite colors are black, white, red, and mustard yellow, and I'm also very open to color. And the Beetlejuice was my favorite movie, and you know, just all that kind of fun stuff. So with all that being said, I am so excited, and at the end of this I'm going to be doing a try-on portion, and I'm going to try them on with my Doc Martens since that's kind of what the outfits are styled around. I told her that I thought a baby doll dress would look good with it, or like a skirt or something, but I told her that do whatever she thinks best, and that no matter what, it would turn out great. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm trying not to look at it yet. Oh. Okay. This is everything that's in the package. So the first thing that I'm seeing is a chunky white belt. Oh my god, wait, hold on. That's so cute! Oh, that's such a cute little trippy pattern. Oh my god. This is adorable. Oh, so cute. Belts are so hard to find that fit me. This is honestly probably a kid's belt, so I'm really excited to try that on. She left us a note with her beautiful face. That's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna read this till the end because I don't want to spoil the surprise. I'm assuming this is where the accessories are. I'm using like eyelash scissors because I can't find any other scissors. Oh my god, there's so many goodies in here. Is that sunglasses? Oh my god, these are so freaking cute. I'm honestly so excited. Those are so cute. This goes great with the outfit I'm wearing right now. Like, these are adorable. They're by Kiss. 100% UV protection. They're plastic, like a sturdy plastic. Does that make sense? Like, I don't know. Those are so cute. Okay, so she got me, what is this? Is this the Heaven one? With a little coffin on it? Okay. So let me get close up with this one. So it's just a little coffin, and then on this side it says Heaven. This one's cute. That's adorable. I was hoping that she would add this in here, but it's her new sleepy necklace. This is so adorable. Got me some butterfly clips, which I don't typically wear, but they have little, what do you call that? I forget what it's called. The little pattern on it. It looks like a picnic. I forget what it's called, but they're just cute little pink butterfly clips. I don't know how to wear these, honestly. Like, I never even wore these as a kid. She also gave me earrings to match that necklace. It says Heaven on that side, and then now we have this. What is this? This is, oh, okay, this is kind of cute. So I can definitely see how, I think it's called gingham. Yeah, the gingham butterfly would match this. This is adorable. Which is a cute little baby doll denim dress. Oh, and it has the sweet little ties on the side. Oh, and it's even trimmed in it. That is so cute. Okay. It's cute. It's by Zoe. I see corduroy pants, which I'm obsessed with corduroy, but I didn't even mention that to her. But they're black corduroy pants. Oh, they're just all black. They're by, I don't know what brand this is. What? I don't even know how to pronounce that. I don't know how to pronounce that. What does that say? It's really holographic though, that's really cool. Okay. And then this Deftone shirt. It's like a cute little baby tee. Oh, it's cropped. That's cute. Can I even? Cute. Okay. And then, oh, that's adorable. It's a little like lingerie top. This is cute. This is really cute. Okay. Side note, this is really weird, but it all smells super good. Okay. Okay, so I got the Pisces choker as well, because that's my sign, which is cute. Although I'm not like super into astrology or anything like that. I also have a little spider. Temporary tattoo. And I think this is a sticker. I think it's supposed to be Sasha. Just cute. Okay. And then a picture of Bella, of course. Such a queen. Okay. It says, "Hi Angel, I was super excited to style this custom look for you. I just wanted to take this moment to tell you how I pulled it all together from head to toe. To accessorize, we included the coffin pendant plus matching studs, sleeping nameplate, and zodiac choker, and your sign to stack up for your most iconic layering situation. I felt this combo of goodies embodied your edgy meets Beetlejuice request. I also popped in those square frames as I felt Luana on, that was my style icon, as I felt Luana would totally live for these. And the pink gingham hair clips match perfectly with the baby doll dress option. For your bod, I included 2 different options for you. For your first fit, I went with a V Luana grungy look option. Pop on the badass Deftones baby tee that I added a raw hem to for an extra edgy touch, paired with the black corduroy pants. Spice up pants with the black and white statement belt. Or, since you mentioned that you love mixing girly with edgy pieces, I included that black lace trim top would also look totally cute, paired with the look option above. And 2, since you mentioned that you just got your first pair of Doc Martens, I wanted to include a baby doll look option for you. Slip into that insanely cute Zoe denim dress and the clips I mentioned above. I also noticed some denim dresses in your legs, so I felt this would be up your alley. I would complete this look with your docs. Duh, heart. Thank you for trusting in my creativity, and I hope you enjoy the look. Eternal love, Bella, at Internet Girl." Okay, so that's so cute and so sweet. And then her little thing down below. I'm gonna go ahead and slip into it. Okay, here is the Pisces choker. I'm sorry, I can't even see where I'm. I like on the side how it doesn't show anything. Because like I said, I'm not super into astrology, but like it's cute. And then I have on the heaven necklace along with the earrings. Although I used to have stretched ears, so they kind of hang low. But they're very cute. And then I have on the Deftones baby tee. I think it's so cute that she hemmed it for me. That's adorable. Paired with the belt. I think this belt is so cute. It's so different. And then, of course, the corduroy pants, which I don't know if you can see them well. Hold on. With the docs, of course. I don't know, because these are like very long on me. I feel like the pants were a little long, and I tried rolling them up, and it kind of looks, I don't know. I don't think I like them rolled up, but that's the first look. Here is the sleepy nameplate. It's very cute. Here is what the top looks like. I love the little lace on it. This feels so nice. Like, it's not satin, but I don't know what kind of fabric it is, but it's really cute. Very sweet. I don't know, I think it's really cute. It's what it looks like on the back. And then on the bottom it has little frilly detail, not frilly, but like the little lacy detail as well. I think I would definitely pair this with something a little more eye-catching because I like being more dramatic, so to speak. So, okay, let me show you the third and final outfit. Okay, so I put the butterfly clips in my hair, and I put one here. I don't know how to wear butterfly clips. And the butterfly, this is like tight on my chest. And I have a really small chest, like, it's a little tight. So definitely, like, my boobs are just flat right now, like, like they don't exist at all. Well, okay, so this has a little hem. I'm gonna stand on something so I can show you my shoes and everything. Hopefully you can see. Okay, so here's the bottom of my dress, and I paired it with these Doc Martens. Let's see if I can. Can you see them? I don't even know. Hopefully, or just a better. Perfect. So they're like, I don't know how I feel about this because it's very cute. It's very cute, but I just I don't know, because I mean I already look like I'm 12, and I don't know if this, like, does this make me look even more like I'm 12? Like, it's very cute, don't get me wrong, but I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I would style all these pieces individually, just so you can get a rough idea of everything. And sorry if my legs, like, had a little pattern on them. I've been wearing fishnets all day, so. Okay, let me show you how I pair it. I would probably style the Deftones t-shirt with this, like, super amazing, I'm gonna pull it down a little, super amazing chain detail skirt. I think these chains are just adorable. Of course, with these shoes. What do you think? Better or worse? I have no idea. This is how I would style the lingerie top. I would probably pair it with a pair of, like, dusty pink jeans with rips in it, and then of course the dogs. And I would pair the corduroy pants with probably just like a basic white mock neck, and then of course the infamous belt. And I'd probably roll up these pants just a little bit and wear my cute little my baby doll shoes with white socks just to pull the whole monochromatic look together. And let me show you guys what it would look like. Oh, sorry that I left that open in that frame, but my girl had to get her socks. I'm not too sure on how I would style the baby doll dress, but that was everything that I have for you guys today, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and yeah, until next time, bye guys!